Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is ibridgepy@gmail.com. ibridgepy is an easy-to-use Python platform to help traders to build algorithm trading robots. It can backtest and live trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade. You can download ibridgepy from www.ibridgepy.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more tutorials are coming. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about a premium feature to get contract details from IB contract database. So first, the goal of this demo is to get primary exchange and valid exchanges for a demo SPY stock ETF. So first, let's go to IB contract database to find out what's the primary exchange and what are the valid exchanges to trade SPY. So this is the IB contract database. When you go to there, just click search and use simple. I just put SPY there. And SPY is the ETF to track SP 500 index. The primary exchange is ARCA. So I'm talking about this one, stock. SPY can be traded at different exchanges. For example, it can be traded at ARCA, ASX, MEXI, and Singapore with different base currency. And I'm talking about SPY traded at ARCA using USD dollars as the base currency. So click details. So let's take a look about exchange. So there are 4 exchanges listed here. ARCA is the first one and is bold. It means ARCA is the primary exchange of SPY. And others are the valid exchanges, which means you can route your order to these exchanges for trade. So in this demo, I'm going to show how to use ibridgepy to obtain the primary exchange and the list of valid exchanges, so that if you really want to route your order to a specific exchange, you can do that. Switch to the code. Yeah, ibridgepy is very easy to find out exchange, primary exchange, and valid exchanges. The function you need to use is get contract details. Let's go to ibridgepy documentation to take a look about the usage of this function. So go to ibridgepy.com and go to documentation. And this one is in the section of get information. So go to get contract details. Using the function of get contract details, you can get a lot of useful information from IB contract database, like what I demoed. In this function, you need to specify security type, symbol, field as required. If you want to find information about the options, futures, and others, you need to fill in others. For this demo, I need to use the field. Actually, you can put a string or a list of string in the field. In this demo, I use the primary exchange and exchange in this demo. So you can see all valid exchanges actually I use here. So you can see the field takes either a string or a list of string. So I put primary exchange and valid exchanges here. Stock, and I want to check SPY, and then then it's print. Let's run it. So the result is a dictionary. It has two keys. The first one is primary exchange. The other one is valid exchanges. The primary exchange, as we expected, is ARCA, but the valid exchanges is a little bit surprise. Actually, there's a long list of valid exchanges. And you can see Smart is the first one. This is the default exchange if you don't specify a valid exchange day in your order. Smart Route is an electronic routing technology developed by IB to route your orders to different exchanges. For more information, you need to go to IB's official website to find out what it means to use Smart Route. And then others are all exchanges you can trade actually. Actually, think about this is a long string, probably is not easy to use. So we can do a little bit transformation, for example, as if we say valid exchanges, and let's do a split by comma. Then right now this one is a list. In this list, and then we can print exchange. By doing so, this one is a dictionary, and then we get the long string. This is the long string I'm talking about. And then you split by comma. Then the long string will be converted to a list. Then I use a for loop to print each one by one. And it's still a string, so that it's easier to use. Go to. Okay, just as we expected, this time it's not a long string anymore. This time is a list, so that you can use it. The benefit of using get contract details is if you have added some new contracts, probably you are prompted to say add this contract to securityinfo.csv. If you are a premium user, then you have access to get contract details, and it will help you to find the exchange and the primary exchange and fill into the securityinfo.csv database, so that whenever you want to add a new contract, you don't need to add them to security info, and iBridgePi will automatically do it for you.
Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepi@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. iBridgePi is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.